Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I'll be showing you how to delete a bank account from your Xero. So from the dashboard, what we want to do is click Accounting and Chart of Accounts. You cannot find how to delete a bank account from your bank accounts section. And in Chart of Accounts, what you'll do is you'll see at the very top, all accounts. You'll have then a list of your accounts, and at the top of that list will be your bank accounts. So it's here that I will be deleting the bank account. So I want to click the box next to the bank account, so the tick box, and then I can click the button delete. Please bear in mind, if you delete this, it will delete this account from your whole entire Xero. So you may not need to delete the account. You may just want to hide it from your dashboard, or you may just want to remove the link for your bank account. Do not delete in this case. I'll show you how to do that in another video. But if we're here to delete, we're going to click the delete button and it will come up with a pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete? This is permanent. You can't revert it. And what we will do is we click OK because we're fine with that. And then that will delete our account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.